Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you, that's right, how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, if you know this cool pink cat, you definitely know his name is the Pink Panther. I grew up watching him when I was in elementary school, and I used to love being homesick because a lot of the times just watching him with his antics and some of the silly stuff that was going on was really, really fun. Here's a classic animation with very minimum talking whatsoever. Pretty much nothing, and it was all done by action. Well done. My hat tips off to them, and like Shaun the Sheep, a current one that I like a lot as well. So when you see some good animation, you can tell that they take their time in storytelling and really make it interesting. Pink Panther is one of a kind, for sure to say. Well, saying that, now if you're ready and you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin the lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.